If you are a designer, the designer dashboard gives you one place to manage incoming requests, track project status, showcase your models, and stay organized throughout your design work. At the top, you get a quick overview of your account, including your total models, reviews, average rating, and the number of requests that are pending, active, or completed. Below that, the design board shows all incoming and ongoing design requests in one place. Here you can review the request details, check the current status, see when it was posted, and view the quoted budget or timeline if one has already been sent. The dashboard is designed to help designers stay organized, respond to the request quickly, and manage their design work from one central place. When a new design request comes in, the designer can click View to open the full request details. On this page, you can review the request, any notes from the customer, and the date it was submitted. The activity log also helps you track what has happened so far, starting from when the request was created. If you want to move forward, click Create Code to send your price and timeline back to the customer. If the request is not a good fit, you can click Reject Request. This gives designers a simple way to review each request carefully and decide whether to quote for the project or decline it. The My Models tab is where designers upload and manage the 3D models they want to showcase on JustPrint. These models appear in the Models tab for customers, where they can browse, view the details, and request a print job directly using that model. This gives designers a way to build a portfolio while also making their design available for real customer orders. When a customer places a print request using one of these models, the designer also earns a share of the order value, so the model can continue generating value beyond the original upload. From here, the designers can review their model listing, edit the details, or remove them whenever needed.